So, hi everyone. If you're struggling to learn any concept in your day-to-day life, or whether it is from your examination and whether any kind of skill you are learning right now, so in this generation, in the generation of AI, you don't need a teacher right now because you have a tool that will really help you a lot. I'm just talking about the Google AI Studio, and it is one of the finest tools that I ever visited because it has a lot of features that will blow your mind. Like you can just come to the Google AI Studio, sign up with your account, any account that you want, and when you hit the Google AI Studio first time, you can see the interface, and there are a lot of things to see that. First thing that you can see, if you are really want to talk to the Google AI Studio and you want that the Google AI Studio will help you a lot during studies and it will explain the basic concepts to you, then you can visit the stream real time. And in stream real time, there is three options that the talk to Gemini, and it is I want to show you the share your screen. While share your screen, you can do that while share your screen, it will record the whole screen that you are showing right now, and it will process the thing that you are showing, and it will respond according to the question that you will ask to him. That will ask to the Google Gemini. Okay, so if I want to share my screen, I will do that. I will share my entire screen for that, and I will just share, and I will ask to the Google Gemini. Just see what it does. Hey Google Gemini, are you listening me?
Yes, I'm listening. How can I help you today?
Tell me the ways from which you can help me. Like, what are the ways how you can help me?
I can help you by answering questions, providing information, generating texts, and completing tasks as requested. Is there anything specific you would like help with today?
Yeah, I want to learn about the machine learning and the various types of machine learning. Are you able to see the screen that I'm showing right now?
Okay, I see the page you're showing about linear regression, hyperparameters on the Google developer's website. It lists learning rate, batch size, and epochs as common hyperparameters. Would you like me to
Uh,
elaborate on these topics?
yeah, I know, I know. Actually, I'm a little confused about the hyperparameters of the linear regression. So, can you explain me a little stuff about that?
Certainly. So as you're seeing on the screen, hyperparameters are variables that control the training process of a model, and they are different than parameters which the model learns itself. For linear regression, three common hyperparameters include the learning rate, the batch size, and the number of epochs. Learning rate is a floating point number that controls the speed at which your model learns. Batch size defines the number of samples in each training batch, and epochs refers to the number of times your entire dataset is passed through the model. Would you like a more detailed explanation of any of these hyperparameters?
No, but can you explain? Are you able to see the screen that I'm showing right now?
Okay, I see you are now showing a page about Python string concatenation from W3 Schools. It demonstrates using the plus operator to combine strings. Is there something specific about this page you'd like to discuss?
Yeah, just tell me in brief about the concatenation about the Python.
String concatenation in Python is the process of combining two or more strings into a single string. You can do this using the plus operator, as shown on the page. So if you have two variables, say a with a value of hello and b with a value of world, then a plus b will give you hello world. You can also include spaces by using a plus plus b, which will output hello world.
Yeah, well, let's add something little twist here. I wanna I wanna assign B not a string. I wanna assign B as a number. Like hello, A is hello and B is 5. So what is C? What gonna be C?
Okay, I see that you want to explore what happens when you try to concatenate a string and a number in Python. If A is assigned the string hello and B is assigned the number 5, the result of A plus B will cause a type error. In Python, you can only concatenate a string with a string. To make this work, you need to first convert B to a string using the str function, such as C equals A plus str B. This will
Okay.
result in quad.
what if C is equal to A comma B? Like I wanna print A comma B. So what will print right now?
If you set C equal to AB, then C will be a tuple containing both the string hello and the number 5. And if you print C, it will output hello 5. If you want to print A,
तो ऐसा था मतलब काफी ज्यादा हेल्प हो जाती है अगर आप इफ यू आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम द गूगल एआई स्टूडियो यू कैन डू एनीथिंग यार इट मींस इन क्रिएट फ्रॉम सेक्शन you can do anything. There is also latest tool. One of the tool is introduced in the Google Gemini AI Studio. That is image generation. It is experimental. It is free. It is free. Okay. It is showing that you have to use 32,000 tokens, but you cannot use in a single time. Okay. So it is a kind of free, and you can generate the image. You can edit the image. Like if I upload some of my image from the thing, like if I'm generating, it is my one of my YouTube thumbnail. I want to edit that or make the background to something like more professional and make rest of the same. Let's see what it does. And to run, you had to hit Control plus Enter. But I'm not a graphic designer. I know it will just ruin all the thing. Yeah, it does actually. It made the whole background to black, and it did it. Yeah, yeah, it did. And so you can update and you can try it out by your way. You can check it out and you can learn from it. It is a great tool to learn, and you don't need to buy any course. You don't need to do anything. So it is just free of cost, and you can just check it out and do your help. And thank you for watching the video.